Okay guys, welcome. It is my first basically audio video test. My name's Ed. I'm near Boston, 40 miles outside of Boston actually, and we're kind of testing the arrangement here. So right now I'm at 4K 60 FPS, shotgun mic set to front. Right here it's the shorty stick at the shortest setting. I'm basically holding the camera parallel. This is a little bit more relaxed, and this is a little bit higher. So this would be kind of uncomfortable. So basically, naturally, I'd want to keep it around here, and I'm going to show you guys where I'm going to. Basically, we're going to kind of go this way with it, and we're kind of just walking and enjoying some scenery. So basically what I'm going to do now is, wow, all right, that's the second setting. So that's with just one little stick out of the mic thingy. Now I'm gonna, okay, so that's with two. I'm gonna lock this. So that's with two sections, all right, roughly. And then, oh, is that it? Nope. Hello, good morning to you.
Good morning.
And this is with three sections. So this is completely extended. Again, 4K 60 FPS, shotgun mic, front. Basically relaxed. This is a pretty decent, I could probably maintain this position. This is a little bit low, I would think. We're getting the sky, I think. And then I could go like higher like this. But this would be long-term, you know, probably a little bit difficult for me. So right about here is where I'd want to keep it. And of course, to get a little bit of depth, basically we're walking this way. And I'll show you guys the pond here. That's the Who's It's and What's It's pond. You know, so, excuse me. All right, so what I'm going to do now is, well, this is full extension, and again, hold on, that's -1. I have 3 extensions total on this stick, so that's 2. Right now it's just 2 extensions away, and hold on, and that's, well, that's basically 1 extension. All right, and we're going like this, maybe forward, okay, and ooh, hold on, and this, that right there is stubby. That's no extension whatsoever, so this is the stubby. Front, side, and we'll go long range here, since I didn't do it before. All right, that's locked. So this is maximum out in front. 3 sections, 4K front mic. So what we'll do is, I'm gonna pause this now, hopefully, and we will switch the mic settings. This is shotgun mic with the front. Hold on. All right, so this is the back microphone. Hopefully I don't have to play around with all of the length settings. This is 3. Actually, I think this is pretty cool because it gets me and most of the scenery here. You've got some rhododendrons, and again, basically I'm holding it where I'm going to be holding it. Don't really want to go like this up high. It's about 45, and I'm not going to go like this because that's garbage. I can tell you that right now. So front, all right, this is full extension, 3 sections, and of course this is the back microphone, and blah blah blah, and we're talking, and of course we're getting this, but you've already seen that. So now I'm going to switch it to stereo. Okay, full extension with the mod. This is the stereo mode. So we've done the front, we've done the back. Now this is stereo with the media mod. Full extension, basically kind of a natural, I'm holding it kind of naturally. Maybe I should hold it like this. So what this is it's basically, I'm making the camera basically level with my head. I do have to raise up, because of the angle, I have to raise up my hand a little bit, whereas this might be more lazy. So what we're figuring is this is the lazy way, the natural way. This is more of an active type of a thing. So We'll see how this goes. And this, of course, is the back microphone. No, I'm sorry, not the back microphone. What you're hearing is the stereo. So this is stereo mode on the mod, audio mod, media mod, I should say. And now I'm going to switch it to natural, and of course 3 extensions. You've got 3 sticks here. I'm going to switch it now to GoPro. I'm going to take the media mod off and just go pure GoPro default mic. See you in a bit. Okay, basically the final test. So what we have here, 4K 60, of course, native microphone, full extension. What's good about this is that I can set the angle. This is just the GoPro, no mod. I can set the angle a little bit better for the camera, so I can hold it in a more relaxed position while still getting a pretty good angle, I think. So this is the we'll just kind of walk down here. Actually, what's the, wow, I got 57 minutes remaining. That's pretty good. Wow. Hopefully it's 4K 60, right? I don't know. So let's oh, actually I didn't do the background sound. Oh well, I guess it's more about the voice anyway, you know. So right here we're gonna have some sorry about the glare. We're gonna have some waterfalls here. We're just gonna walk real quickly down, see the sawmill. Again, Paxton State Park. We got some ice. Fun times over here. So, got a little bit of ice. No worries though. Yeah, I'm thinking that we'll see about this length of extension. This is full length, of course. Whoa! Yeah, I gotta watch out for that. Oh! Gotta watch out as we make our way. And of course I'm trying to keep the camera level, you know, we're seeing. But yeah, what is it? It's about 40 degrees. I mean, my hands aren't doing too bad. Maybe, okay, so this is about a little bit like that. If I hold it perfectly perpendicular, that's a little bit tiresome, you know. It's not a natural way to hold it. Probably more like this angle would be more natural. That's with my left hand, of course. Now I'm switching over to my right. And again, I think this is like natural. Of course, native microphone here. It is just plain Jane, basically. Right here we got some waterfall action. That's some good stuff. Yeah, I definitely like the angle better without the mod. So maybe I can just use the mod for the microphone, and maybe the native microphone here is a lot better. So right here is the coup de grace, the old sawmill, you know. Good stuff. All right, let's go back up, and well, that'll be that. Okay, so we've tested basically the audio video. This is just for a kind of a running test. If I ran, oh, my foot, this is running. So let's see this, if this is any good. Okay, and all right, signing off for now.